Right now, I am traveling in India's first seaplane, SpiceJet's Spice Shuttle. Now remember, this is the same plane that was taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the morning, and he was the first passenger to travel in such seaplane. Now SpiceJet will be operating 2 daily flights on the Ahmedabad-Kewadia route from today onwards. While it takes around 4 hours for you to travel from Ahmedabad to Statue of Unity, now it would take just about half an hour to travel in this thing using such a seaplane. Now SpiceJet will be using a 15-seater Twin Otter 300 aircraft for these flights. This is one of the most widely used aircraft around the world, and as you could see, the aircraft has undergone regular maintenance, overhauling, as well as seat refurbishment, and has a valid airworthiness review certificate. Now if we talk about this, so seaplanes are the perfect flying machines that can help to penetrate into untapped markets. So there are several such locations where the airport is either far away or it takes a lot of time to travel over there. So over there, since this seaplane could land in the water as well, it is expected that this will change the entire tourism industry as well, because people will be able to travel to places where they were unable to travel earlier. Now while we were coming back from Statue of Unity to Ahmedabad, our trip was reduced from 4 hours to 30 minutes in the seaplane, and we were also able to see the Statue of Unity very clearly while traveling. Now even now, if you could see, we'll try to show you that you could see the nearby areas while you are traveling from this. So this is a new kind of experience that has happened, and this is the first ever seaplane that has begun in India, although it has begun from Gujarat, but it is expected that there will be several such trips that will be happening across the country. We are bringing you the exclusive footage of the very seaplane that was used by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the morning. Now NDTV exclusively is also in the same seaplane in the evening, and we are bringing for our viewers that what can you expect the next time if you are traveling in such seaplane. And so this is how it looks, and 50 people, as I said, will be able to travel at a time, and it is expected that this might be a game changer in the in the coming days in the tourism industry. In Gujarat, with camera person Rajendra Dayalkar, Sohit Mishra, NDTV. Will this be the game changer in the tourism industry? To talk about this, I have the owner of SpiceJet, Ajay Singh sir. So thank you so much for speaking with NDTV. So the question is, how do you look, so this is the first, if we talk about the plane that has been started, the seaplane, will this revolutionize the entire tourism industry in India?
Today is a very, very special day, I think, not only for the Indian aviation sector, not only for SpiceJet, but also for India's tourism industry. Because, Indian tourism has suffered from the fact that so many beautiful locations have been unconnected to the mainstream. So there are no airports in so many of these locations. There's very poor road connectivity in very many of these locations. But one thing that India doesn't lack are water bodies. So if you look around you, there are just so many lakes and there are so many rivers, and this plane can land in pretty much any water body. It needs very little to land. It's a very strong, sturdy plane, and can reach all sorts of places where it's very tough to reach by any other means. So we believe that with this, we will put many, many more places that Indians probably have not heard of. We will put those on the map as well.
So sir, for our viewers, if you could tell us how many passengers could accommodate in one such seaplane, and how many people will be traveling, and how many such services are we expecting to begin in the coming days?
So there are a total of 18 seats in this plane. 2 seats are for the pilots and 1 for the crew. So there are 15 seats for passengers. And we will start with 4 flights a day, take that up to 8 flights a day. In the demand has been phenomenal. I mean, it's we started booking yesterday. The demand has been phenomenal, and so we'll increase flights.
We have heard that the prices is also kept very reasonable if you talk about the first flight. So what are the prices that we have kept, and how?
This is a flight which is under the Udan scheme, and under the Udan you have to give some seats which are concessional. So the starting fares are 1,500 and they go up to about 5,000 rupees. Some seats will be sold at 1,500 and they'll then go up to 5,000.